actually fits everything we would need.
If Aunt Kiki comes, Mom, if Aunt Kiki comes, you can go in there.
Yeah.
And let's take a picture of this. Ooh.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah.
Storage.
Oh, no, that's Harry Potter's room. When it has everything. Whatever we need, yeah.
Oh, the slide's open.
And here's this.
Yeah, this is the master.
Master bedroom. And with little if you hit your head over here.
Okay.
If you guys come along in here, you will see this. The whole guest bedroom. Even the bathroom.
I mean, I wouldn't have her sleep up there.
No, but we have the perfect seating.
Even
Decent kitchen. Awesome bedroom.
Is it two?
a little.
I guess so.
Even a kitchen. There's oven, microwave, little storage.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff. I don't know a little bit. I'm out of here.
I want you to get the whole side of this one. Ready? I'm going to help you. All right, ready? You got to look where you're aiming. See? So you're going to aim up from here. And then you're just going to slowly pan that way. There you go, kiddo.